We're set to race here. This is Gawler Race 5 on their way. Missing the start a bit is Big Time. There's good speed here from Shadow Puzzle. Snapper Shenye got shuffled right back to the tail. Shadow Puzzle led, set course, diving up underneath it. Doveton improving out deeper than Aston Fort. Big Time. Next is Camo's Prinny, and then came Hilda Bale and Snapper Shenye on the turn. Set course led, Big Time's after it. Big Time and set course. Oh, set course or Big Time, it's a photo. Their heads are up and down right on the post, so I'm not sure here. Aston Fort was next from Doveton, then Hilda Bale from Shadow Puzzle, Camo's Prinny. It was back toward the tail here, the time 23:30. And we stand by for the number here after the running of race number 5. It was heads out of sync. Set course was in front. Big Time was moving up. Big Time puts a dive in right near the line. Set course had the lead. Big Time dives, and it's a dead heat. So it's a dead heat here. Dead heat 2 and 4. A dead heat between 2 and 4. Number